Hi! Today's workout is a very easy workout without using resistance. We're going to work upper body, we will be working shoulders, the top of your back, and a little bit obliques. Now, just try because it's very good. These workouts remind me of the 80s. So, let me know what you think. Ready to start? Very easy workout. Remember, when you stand up, keep your knees bent, your spine straight, keep your abdominals tight, and we're going to start working shoulders. I want you to stand both arms fully straight and slowly. We're going to start with a little warm-up. Arms down and up, down and up. It's going to be all high repetitions, but fast, okay? Keep it up. Go on. 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Few more. Keep going. Keep breathing. That's it. Stay. Hold that position. Right arm. You're going to go palm to the front and now turn. In 1. In fast. Keep going. This workout is going to burn your shoulders. It's very good. Keep it up. 6. Go on. Fast. 7. Beautiful. Keep going. Front. Back. Last one. Excellent. And keep your arm straight, the other arm the same. Front, back, front, back. Keep turning, okay? Keep it up. 7, 8. Don't forget to breathe. 9. Excellent. 10. And what about if you do now both arms? Front, back, front. Keep going. Oh, I can start feeling now my shoulders. 9. Last one. 10. Beautiful. Stay. Big deep breath. Breathe in. For a small break. Breathe out. Stay in your arms. Again. Ready? So we're going to do small circles and go fast. 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The other arm. Go. 1, 2. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Both arms. Go. And 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Small break. Big deep breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Stay your arms again. Ready for the ones if you bend your elbows and go fast. Front. 2, 3. Pull at the back. 8, and 9, and 10. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Beautiful. 2 arms. Go. 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Very good. We're going to start now working a little bit of legs, okay? You're still going to work a little bit your shoulders as well, okay? So keep your spine more straight. And now nice and gentle. First thing, to warm up, you're going to bring your hips to your left and your upper body to your right. And go. 1, 2. Keep going. Abdominals tight. 10. Down to the other side. We're going to do the same. Beautiful. Your hips the opposite direction that you bring your upper body. Okay? Beautiful. 10. And we're ready to start. Okay, so now, nice and gentle. You're going to bring your elbow up and extend your arm to your side. You're going to go 1 and 2. Keep going. And 4, 5, 6. Keep going. Last one. Beautiful. Stay. Go in. 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 10. Down and go. 1. A little bit harder. 9, 10. And slowly twist a little bit. 1, 2, 3. Go on. 4. Keep going. In 9. Last one. 10. Beautiful. We're going to change to the other side. Same thing. Ready? In, go. In, slowly, and go. Up. 2, keep going. In, 4, go on. In, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and go. In 2, more 3, and 4, 8, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. And now last one with more intensity. Go down. 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And twist a little bit. 2, keep going. And more. And 9, last one, 10. Beautiful. We finish our workouts for today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.